everybody, Cherish Missy. This keeps turning. How do I get this to stop turning? Okay. Hi everybody, Cherish Messy Painter here. I'm very excited for this month's collaboration with Nate's Art Lab. It is all about this little Piggies pigment powders. We also call them the TLPs. This is really a really cool product that I've really fallen madly in love with. I'm even using it in resin now, which I have resin videos coming up. I decided to use Gold Ore, Nebula, Macaw, and Abalone, or Abalone, not sure how I'm saying that one right, for my colors. However, I did do a little bit of a Franken color. I mixed Nebula and Ore together, and I made this really cool shimmery green. It's like a sage green with a little bit of a blue undertone. It is, I cannot wait to see what this looks like. I will be doing the original bloom art by Shelee Art. If you haven't seen her blooms, they are amazing. I mix all of my TLPs with Joe Sonia first to disperse the pigment powders. Then I add some golden soft gel, and then I use my Floetrol pouring medium. And that is how I get my colors mixed with the TLPs. I have a base paint today of Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with a little bit of Creative Inspirations Metallic Silver and a little bit of Modern Masters Pearl White. I wanted there to be just a little bit of a sheen to the white. It does look tinted. When you look at regular white next to this, it definitely has a little bit of a tint to it. So I am not using house paint as my base paint, as I do not have any house paint right now. So I will try that with this color palette maybe another time. But for now, my base is going to be white. If I like this, I'm going to try it on black. We'll see what happens. For my bloom cell activator, it will be Golden's Carbon Black with Australian Floetrol. This is a tried and true recipe, so I'm not messing with it. So here I go, making a fun mess. Before I begin, this is a wood cradle. This is a 10 by 10 wood cradle canvas, and I have primed it with this Zinsser 123 primer. I find that this is easier than creating brush strokes with gesso and then having to sand it down. However, I do sand this down. I sand down my edges all the way around because I don't like the sharp edges of wood canvases. Sometimes they end up becoming see-through, so I like this rounded look. This is a little bit difficult to do sometimes, so my wonderful partner, Chris, helps me do it. But yes, so that's what I do with all of my wood cradled canvases. It also helps so that the wood grain doesn't come through. All right, now I can stop gibber-gabbering and show you what I'm doing. Okay. This is not what I was going for, and I don't care because I love it. I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. Pretty sure I lost abalone or abalone, whichever it's called, completely. That's okay, because this is really cool. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. I love this part right here. I love this part right here. All right, I as you can see, I ended up doing it a second time because I just didn't like the way it looked. All right, but I love this. I think I'm going to do this again, but on black. All right, let me go get another canvas. Okay, this is a smaller canvas. This is an 8x8, but this is what I have prepped, so I'm gonna use this. It's the same thing. I have used the Zinsser 123 primer on the wood canvas, and I have already sanded the edges. So now I'm gonna do this with Mars Black by Amsterdam as my base, and we will see what happens. Okay, this is, I love this. I can't even talk. I love that green color that I made. Oh my God, it's amazing. I love mixing up colors and making my own with these TLP pigments. It is so much fun. This might be my all-time favorite TLP painting I've ever done. It's amazing. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. All right, well, for you guys, it'll only be a second, but for me, it's probably gonna be a day or two. So, wait, I have to pick it up so you can see it. I think that's the macaw. That is a magic color right there. All right, enough of me. It's like I just can't stop looking at it. Wow, okay, I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. Amazing, amazing. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at the color. I am really, really happy how this came out. I am definitely gonna keep mixing up my pigments. I had a lot of fun with this challenge. This is one of my favorites for sure. It only has one layer of varnish on it, so I will definitely be adding another one. But I just couldn't wait to show the dried results. All right, now my favorite. This is definitely my favorite. Look at it in the different light. Oh my goodness, absolutely amazing. It kind of looks light blue from one angle, and then when you look at it from another angle, that green comes through. Oh, so awesome. I cannot wait to play around with my little piggies some more. I absolutely love them. I will probably be placing a pretty big order soon too, because there are so many colors that I haven't even tried yet. Thank you very much, Nate, for this really fun challenge. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to finish watching the rest of this really awesome collaboration train we have going on. And I will see you all in the next project. Thank you so much for watching.